Step-by-step guide to starting a Gold IRA. Secure your retirement with the enduring value of gold. A Gold IRA offers stability and diversification, shielding your portfolio from economic uncertainty. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's how to start. Choose a trusted custodian. 1. Check credentials, research reviews, ratings, and experience. 2. Verify IRS approval, ensure the custodian is authorized to manage Gold IRAs. 3. Assess storage, opt for secure, IRS-approved depositories with segregated options. 4. Evaluate support, prioritize clear communication and responsive service. Roll over your retirement funds. 1. Verify eligibility, confirm your current account qualifies for a rollover. 2. Pick the rollover type, choose a direct, seamless transfer, or indirect, 60-day reinvestment, rollover. 3. Set up a Gold IRA, open the account with your chosen custodian. 4. Transfer funds, initiate the transfer and monitor the process. 5. Buy precious metals, invest in IRS-approved options like American Eagle coins. Understand fees. 1. Setup fees, initial setup costs range from $50 to $150. 2. Annual fees, maintenance fees are typically $75 to $300. 3. Storage costs, annual storage fees vary by type and value of assets. 4. Transaction costs, be aware of fees for buying or selling gold. Diversifying with a Gold IRA can fortify your financial future. Choose wisely and take control of your retirement today. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.